Hi guys, welcome to Saania channel and I am Saania Aman. So today's video is all about decluttering. Finally, because the spring is here, summer is nearing, I thought to downsize my wardrobe and declutter everything, whatever I don't need. I don't want to keep clothes because of some emotional attachment or something which is, keeping me bothering about the money, how much I spent on it. So I really don't want to think anything or like that, and just I want to declutter my clothes and it gives a spiritual feeling of being clean. So before you begin any decluttering your closet, you need to organize it in a 4 ways, whether you want to sell it, throw it, keep it, and you can donate it for charity. I have taken the bins bag like this and I have written names on it, whether to sell it, whether to give it for charity, throw it, and also to keep the things. Tip I would definitely like to give you when you declutter your wardrobe, even though if it is new, if you have not worn since past 1 year, you need to get rid of it. And also go with first instinct as well. So when you pick your clothes, just ask in your mind whether you need this or not. Don't complicate things by overthinking, because that will actually make you not to get rid of the clothes whatever it is needed. So these are the quick tips I would definitely like to suggest, and happy cleaning. So put the loud music on and I'm taking out everything out of my closet and placing on the bed. This will help me to see exactly what I have got to declutter. So I'm trying to get rid of the clothes whichever is not worn from past 1 year, and also which is not comfortable as well. I'm just thinking if the piece is versatile or not, that goes with any other outfit, or if there is not in trend, or if it's become very old styled. Or I'm also thinking that if the clothes have been worn out or damaged, I'm not keeping those as well. So trying to keep the clothes which I actually like them rather than I should keep them. I hope that makes sense. I really don't want to keep the clothes which I have worn in the past few years again and again, and I don't want to wear it anymore in the future. Oh my god, I had got so many of the clothes thinking that I would wear this in the future, but definitely I'm not keeping those clothes anymore, or I'm thinking of it to keep it for the future as well. So if I am getting a thought that I would wear this in the future, I'm immediately dumping in the charity bag. So if you relate to this video, please give a big like and subscribe to my channel as well. Finally guys, it's done and I'm so happy with this, and I'm really happy that I have cleansed it a lot, from the jackets to the things whatever I don't need. So this is what it was. Thank you for watching.